Hey folks, welcome back. Doc D in a Dungeon, and got kind of a special announcement here. This will be short. A lot of people probably don't know that I am a technical scuba instructor, and I'm a cave instructor, and I'm on the board of directors for the National Speleological Society's cave diving section. And we have our International Cave Conference coming up in May, and so I'm going to give away a 2-day workshop where we build one of these for the winner of the prize. And so let's get into it. What are you gonna win? All right, so here we are, and this is on my YouTube channel as well. Well, this is on my YouTube channel, but I've got the full build for this for any who are interested. And so basically, I've got a lot of stuff that needs charged, a lot of things that use batteries, and I wanted a way to carry that stuff around with me. I travel quite frequently to dive and to free dive, and it's like, man, I really want a way where I can have all this stuff together, and this is what I've come up with. And what I'm going to do is a 2-day workshop where the winner of this prize and I sit down, and they bring the stuff that they want to incorporate into a portable charge box like this, and we build it. So here we are. On the top side of it is a bunch of lithium-ion chargers. So these two came with my DiveRite LX20s, which you see here. The other ones are aftermarkets, and you know, you don't have to have this particular style, but you know, it's going to be something like this. In the top face, I used a lot of different GoPros, and I also have 2 different dive computers that I use, and then I have 2 primary lights, the DiveRite LX20. This pulls out. And so what do we have here? Let me get you in close. There we go, that's not too bad. All right, so this is removable. And again, this doesn't have to be what the winners will be. I'm just showing some of the different options that I did. We can do pretty much anything that they want to do. But I've got GoPro chargers here, camera chargers. Not shown right here is my little USB hub that will power everything. And then, you know, I've got backup lights, and then lights for my spear guns here. This area is actually dead area. Wiring will all go through the floor on this, and so my goal is to make something that you'll be proud of and that you will get lots and lots of use out of. So I hope to see you at the conference. Okay, so there we are. Again, I'm offering this as a prize for the International Cave Conference held here in North Florida in May of 2025, so just a few months away, and hopefully I'll see you there. And I'm looking forward to sitting down with the winner of this prize to develop something that they're going to use for the rest of their diving career. Doc D out. Have a great weekend.